So, Danny, the Talmudic adage, Lo hamedrash ha'ikar ela hamasa, what the Mishnah is intimating is that there can possibly be a huge and large gap between study and practice. In Jewish mysticism, can you advise us or guide us in a way in which theory becomes practice?
Akiva, that's a great question to start us off. Kabbalah is very much aware of the danger of the learning remaining just book learning. They sometimes use the image of chamor noseh sfarim, a donkey carrying books, a person who remains really a fool and yet displays this great book learning, displaying a lot of erudition, but not working on the real work in the world. So I think part of the answer here is Kabbalah staying true to its roots. What I mean by that is we often think of mysticism as something exotic, as something new and radical innovation. And Kabbalah certainly does have startling new things to say about God and the human being. But Kabbalah also means, as we've mentioned, tradition. Kabbalah here is very much in sync with the traditional idea of mitzvah, commandment. What is a mitzvah? A mitzvah is an opportunity to turn the theory into practice. There was a great scholar of Rabbinic Judaism, whom I'm sure you're aware of, Max Kadushin. And Kadushin says that the rabbis are really trying to create what he calls normal mysticism. Now that sounds like a contradiction in terms. Mysticism is that which is supernatural, supernormal, abnormal. How can there be a normal mysticism? He says that what Rabbinic Judaism is trying to create is an opportunity to turn the everyday into the holy, to create opportunities for us to live out holiness in the world. So mystically, that would mean to take the idea that God is oneness, not simply that God is one, that there's one God, but that God is the oneness of the universe, and to turn that into reality. How? For example, to look for the divine spark in another human being, to look for the divine spark in each opportunity of life, and to raise that spark, to redeem the holy potential. And if one tries to live that out in the world, then the theory becomes reality, moment by moment.